Whenever you are invited and asked to give a speech or a talk, it really boosts your ego because you are a subject expert. It is really a benefit for those who are given the chance to speak regularly for their future career success. Many people spend a lot of time preparing for their speeches, knowing that they want to look good to the audience. They devote many hours to create the PowerPoint slides, animation, selecting their clothings, getting a new haircut, and whatnot. The whole process of giving a speech can cause people to be very focused on themselves. The pressure to excel when on the stage can make a speaker very self conscious about all their action around the presentation. You must have seen people standing on the stage boasting about their product, company, and whatnot. They even tell about the percentage of increase of sales they have made over the years. I don't know how does it make sense. While your presentation, your speech, appearance, and how you are perceived is important, it is advisable to turn your attention outward. I mean to say, what about the people sitting opposite to you, your audience? Think about the motivation of the people who are listening to you and what they expect to gain from investing their time and attention. Remember, they care much more about themselves than they do about you. Make sure that everything you say will resonate. Do not just talk about your own success unless it can be used as an example for others to navigate their own path and help them in their decision. Know what an audience will want to hear. It is best to ask this person of the person who invited you to speak. Discover the ages, background, job title, gender, and other demographic details. Whosoever is in the attendance, whosoever is attending your talk. If you want to be an effective speaker, you must make your priority all those who are sitting facing you. We live in a society with very short attention span, and if people don't feel they are your motivation, they will easily disengage. They will know if you are speaking for them or if you are speaking for your own self. So, ladies and gentlemen, as a speaker, always and never ever speak for yourself. Just speak for the audience.